One day, there was a guy named Joshua. He wanted to be a galactic ranger. He succeeded, he tried, he did everything he could to be a successful galactic ranger. Unfortunately, he was rejected because of his size.
I'll never become a galactic ranger.
Until one day...
Oh, hello. Yeah, I know, my own parody. Yeah, I know what you guys are thinking. Who are the two guys I had to hunt down to get my own parody? Well, I'll give you a hint. Their names rhyme with Ratchet and Clank, and they're owned by a company that rhymes with Glay Station. Okay, back to the parody.
Until one day, something crashed on Earth.
Well, what the heck was that? What are you?
Who are you?
My name's Joshua. What do I call you? Maybe I'll just call you Clank.
Clank? But my name is Zeg.
Oh, okay. Maybe I'll just call you Zeg.
Zeg? Who's Zeg?
You just said you were Zeg.
I'm Zeg?
Yeah.
I didn't know I was Zeg.
Yeah, you did.
I thought my name is Clank.
Okay. You just said your name was Zeg, and now
I'm Zeg?
Yeah.
Wow, this is so confusing.
You said your name was Zeg when I called you Clank, and now you're saying when I'm calling you Zeg, you say your name was Clank. It made no sense.
Zeg? Clank? Who are those people?
You're okay. Are you Zeg or Clank?
Who's Zeg? Who's Clank?
Ah!
Who's Zeg? Who's Clank?
You're Zeg! Your name is Zeg! So, Zeg, are you from a parallel universe?
I'm in a parallel universe?
No, yeah, you are, but are you from a parallel universe?
I am.
What planet are you from?
Underwear.
There's a planet called Underwear.
Uh-huh.
Why?
I used to always get beat up there because I was really, really, really smart.
No, you're not. You're dumb.
No. The only thing that'd be dumb are a sack of potatoes.
And you're dumber than a sack of potatoes.
A sack of potatoes? Is that like a parallel universe?
God dang it! Okay. I'm trying to become a galactic ranger.
What's that?
A galactic ranger is a police force throughout space and time. They go out in space and they battle aliens or something like that. So yeah, I've tried to try. I tried to try out, but
do you know what he's talking about? I have no idea what he's talking about. Let's see what he's talking about. What did you see, Mrs. Underwear?
Ah! Anyways, I want to become a galactic ranger, but I can't.
What's that?
It's a space police force.
I wonder what he's talking about. It's really confusing. Let me just ask you one last time. I'm in a parallel universe?
Ah! Alright, Captain Quark. I'm ready to retry out as a galactic ranger.
No. You're just dead meat compared to those crag mites.
How about now?
Oh, fine. Okay, just get him away from me. Get away.
Yeah!
Do you love underwear? Now that Zeg and Joshua are galactic rangers, they fight crime and kill the crap mites. And they finally confronted the Kratmite Empire.
All right, Cragmite Empire. Your time is up.
Is that Dora the Explorer?
We're supposed to be intimidating here.
Dora, I'm your biggest fan!
Go.
No, I am not Dora the Explorer!
Here goes nothing.
What are you? Please! No! What?
Surrender.
Alright!
You're.
I surrender!
You. I promise you will never crush or just destroy any planets ever again.
I swear! Oh, come on!
You will be going to prison now.
Oh, how beautiful. Okay.
And the Cragmite Empire went to jail.
I will get you next time, you idiot!
And everyone congratulated Joshua for catching him. Yay, Joshua! Woo! Yeah,
I'm finally gonna be rich and famous.
Dora the Explorer! You're my biggest fan!